You may now take your seats. Thank you. Alright. Once again, good afternoon everybody. Hello! Seems like I am not getting the energy that I wanted from our audience. Okay? Once again, hello! Hi! That is more, it's more like it. Yeah. Alright, so today, before I start, I wanted to introduce myself. By the way, I am Darwin and I'm going to be your today's host for this 21st Music Unites the World musical concert. I hope that you are excited as I am, because I am sure that everybody here, the people and the professional instrumentalists, professional musicians that you have here in front are very much excited as well to play for you guys. So are you excited? Yes, I know that you're very excited, but before anything else, I wanted to introduce to you guys who we are and why are we doing this. Okay? So before anything else, as you can see this sign, the Seventh Spirit sign. This is our logo. The Seventh Spirit is a non-profit organization and a non-sectarian organization funded by Japanese people. The Seventh Spirit was created in order to help the deprived, depressed, and underprivileged communities in the Philippines, specifically to help the children of Cebu City. It is standing under the belief of the number 7, which in Japan denotes as the belief of joy and happiness. And so, we are here today, and we started the UUU Orchestra as a flagship project. If I'm not mistaken, that has been running for almost a decade, more than a decade. And now, this UUU Orchestra are the Japanese musicians that are here with us today that have traveled and fly across the wide sea for 1,000 miles just to share their beautiful and magical music with us. And now, that happiness and joy that we wanted to share with everybody will not only be shown, will not only be shared through listening to this music, but will be felt with all the magical pieces that they're going to play for all of us. And so, I hope that you can feel the excitement as everybody here and all the tiresome work that we have put in this craft will be shown in their masterpieces as they are going to play it for us. So are you guys excited? Need more energy. Are you guys excited to play for them? Yes, of course. So again, as I said earlier, the Seventh Spirit has been running for more than a decade, and we have been helping children in our communities in Tejero. We have children in Iniwan, Dagside, in Pier 1, Pier 2, and Pier 3. And so, when they start their music journey with us, when they learn music for free, we have the so-called beginners class, the junior class, and until they move up to the orchestra. Without further ado, let's start their magical performance, starting off with our beginners class and their performance. Let's give them a round of applause, please. Once again, let us give our hands to the beginner's class, Seventh Spirit Kids.
I need the us.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us give them a round of applause, please.
Please enjoy. Please enjoy.
Tara. Bili magdali ha. Sige. 3, 2, 1, go. Ta-da-da-da. Ta-da-da. Ta-da-da-da.
Gampang surprise. Patuloy.
by their performance, guys? Were you touched? Because I am touched. And I've been hearing them play almost every day because we've been teaching them music every day, every single day. So if you're wondering how did that happen, and when I said earlier that in Seven Spirit we have been teaching kids and we have been helping Filipino children, specifically here in Cebu, what I meant was the Seven Spirit organization have been teaching children of Cebu free music education for more than a decade. 13 years to be exact to this day. We have been of Parian, of Pier Uno, Pier Dos, and Pier Tres. These children that have been living in the poorest of our community have been given a chance in our organization to be taught music for free. So when we teach them music, they come into our organization without knowing music at all. No? So now that they are in our organization, they are given the chance to cultivate the talent they didn't knew they can learn. Because let's face it, Philippines doesn't have the system or even the chance to give our poorest Filipino people the chance to learn music because it is expensive to learn music. But because this organization is present right now, I want to let everybody know that this organization have done nothing for more than a decade but to help the Filipino children. So can we give our organization a round of applause for helping our Cebuano people? And I hope that we continue to inspire more children to have themselves be part of our music journey. We have a vision in Seven Spirit to help children in our community to be away from drugs, to be away from the vices of our society. And so music might be the way, and it is the only way that our organization is seeing to help them see themselves in a better future. Can we give a hand for that kind of vision? No? That is a very beautiful vision. So now, when they enter the organization, they will learn the pianica, the alto recorder, and the soprano recorder. That's the basic instrument that they have to play. And they will go into another level, becoming a junior student in learning this instrument that we have in front. And now we will have a string ensemble. Our kids from Inayawan, our kids from Palian as well. The Seven Spirit Kids String Junior. Let's give them a round of applause again. Thank you.
Pinabulot ko kasi. Ibang ko, magstaas naman niya. Nakita, pinagpunta naman yun. Hindi ko lang pinagpunta. Mamubo man. Ito ako nag-isa.
ladies and gentlemen, our Strings Junior of Seven Spirit. Let's give them a hand. Alright. So as you can see, they are mas magulang na rin sila. They are older than the other kids earlier that played in our beginners class. I just wanted to let everybody know that once they passed the audition, they can join whatever instrument they wanted to play. So when they pass already the string section, for example, they pass already becoming junior, they can choose whichever instrument they wanted to play. And they will become orchestra, okay, orchestra members already. So Seven Spirit kids, can you please stand up to be recognized? So these are the children that have already been part of the orchestra. Wave your hands, let's give them a round of applause. Yeah, right. Very proud of you guys. Are you proud of yourself? Are you proud of yourself? Alright, you can sit down now guys, thank you. Alright, so just to give everybody a heads up, I just want to inform everybody that these children that have been preparing for this every single year, because we've been doing this musical concert for more than 10 years now. These children have already traveled to Japan as well. These children have been invited to Japan to play in a concert as well in Japan way back 2017 and 2019. Can we give them a round of applause for that? That is Filipino pride right there. No? So also, before I move to the proper concert, I just wanted to give an acknowledgement of all the stakeholders that have been doing their very, very best, blood and sweat, that have been helping this organization from the very beginning up until now. First and foremost, I would like to thank our social workers. Now, we have Ate Kay and Ate Dorothy. Can you wave, guys? Ate Kay and Ate Dorothy? Where are you guys? Can you wave? Please, let us give a round of applause for our social workers. Have been very tirelessly helping the organization. Bisa ko na yung mga tulog-tulog. And also our music teachers and sports teachers. We have Ate Jobel. Ate Jobel, can you wave? Ate Jobel. We have Ate Janine. Where's Ate Janine? No? Where's Ate Jess? Ate Jess? Hello, Ate Jess? Wave, wave, wave. Okay. We also have Kuya May. Kuya May. Hi, Kuya May. No? And we also have our Danish intern. Where's Kuya Seiya? Kuya Seiya? Kuya Seiya is there. Hi, Kuya Seiya. Hello. Alright. And also, I would like also to thank our UUU staff. UUU staff, can you stand up? UUU staff, let's give them a round of applause, our Japanese staff. They have been doing their very, very best to help us pull off this very beautiful magical concert. Thank you very much, Mina. Alright. But of course, the last but not the least, to the man himself that have made this organization possible. The one that have envisioned Seven Spirit, and the one that made all of these things possible. No other than the president of our organization, the one we call Kuya Hiro. Kuya Hiro, can you wave? Tanaka-san? There, Kuya Hiro is there. A round of applause for Kuya Hiro, please. Our very humble and ever supportive and loving Kuya Hiro. Thank you very much, Kuya Hiro. So now, without further ado, I've said so much, and I know that I can go on and on and on and days saying how good our organization have been in helping our community, our society, and our children. So now for our concert proper, let us give UUU a round of applause. Are you excited? More energy, please. Are you excited? It's more like it. So ladies and gentlemen, may I have the Japanese MC, and let us give them a round of applause!
The first song is Mr. Incredible. This song is cool for the books and has a spy movie feel to it. Oh yeah, just listening to it is exciting and makes you feel like you've stepped into a movie. a jazz-like rhythm and powerful melody.
Everyone knows a Phantom of the Opera?
Yes, The Phantom of the Opera is a musical film about passionate and sad love story.
Please listen to the song while picturing the scene.
ninyo ang stand ka.
picture up here. It feels like the story under the scene is about to begin. Let's all cooperate. Ready, set, go!
string instruments, which come in 4 different sizes.
Yes, from smaller one, violin, viola, cello, and contrabass. They make sound by using the bow against the strings, but sometimes they just use their own finger.
Sounds really interesting. Then let's cover violin,
puso, nagtawag sila puso. Seryoso ba yan?
Thank you, Moho and Hasan. The next is clarinet.
Mahal daw
They
kayo.
are very wonderful sound.
Mahal daw kayo.
It is only used as a melody. And it's the big one. Also, clarinet. Yes, it is a bass clarinet. It has lower and mid sound. I see. So let's go. Clarinet. 3, 2, 1. Clarinet.
Abot niya na yung chitra ganina. Japanese na niya. Oh, sigurian raw.
Thank you, clarinet. The next is saxophone. It looks so shiny, but is it really woodwind? Exactly. They have the features of both woodwind and brass. And they can make a big range of sound. Saxophone also use reed, same as clarinet, so it's woodwind. Yes, it is all used in jazz music. I know it looks fun. Today, there are 3 types of saxophone. Now, let's go to saxophone. 3, 2, 1, saxophone! Thank you, saxophone. We introduced 5 kinds of woodwind, and now we will introduce brass instruments.
Oh, what are the brass instruments?
Brass instruments use these mouthpieces, and each one has different sizes of mouthpieces.
Wow, sounds really interesting.
And so let's get started with trumpet.
The trumpet is good at making a high sound. It plays many melodies in many genres, like jazz and pop music. So let's call trumpet.
3, 2, 1, trumpet!
when you extend that through, it will get 4 meters long.
Oh my gosh, that's the wrong.
Yeah, so let's go home. 3, 2, 1.
Which makes a low pitch sound is essential to the orchestra.
Wonderful.
And percussion is a type of that uses sticks or your hands to hit the instrument to make sounds. Surprisingly, there are about 1,000 different percussion instruments, from the big one called the timpani to the small one called the triangle.
So let's go tribute and percussion. 3, 2, 1, tribute and percussion.
The answer is 15. Who has the correct answer? No one?
The concert is still going on.
Thank you very much. The next song is Obacha from Philippine Folk Song Medley.
Folk song medley? What kind of music is it?
This song has melodies from traditional folk songs from all over the Philippines.
Wow! Then maybe there will be a song you have all heard of.
Which is your best of folk song? Please enjoy listening our song.
Hello. Okay, at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, the orchestra has prepared a song for you. And this song is an original piece that our children from Seventh Spirit have created years ago. They have performed this in various occasions, in various invitations, both local and in the international stage in Japan, way back 2017 and 2019. So now we're going to share this piece with us. And the title of this song is?
The music is my life.
I love music, it's my life. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give Yuki and Seventh Spirit a round of applause, please.
By the way, there seems to be an idol group that is popular in the Philippines right now.
It's Dini.
Oh yeah, the energetic and splendid dance is impressive.
I agree. Let's perform as well as we can. So please listen.
Ano?
Hello. Okay. I need some air to breathe. This is the typical part of being an MC and being the dancer at the same time. So forgive me. Okay. So, did you guys enjoy the concert? I mean, I'm not sure if you really enjoyed it. I can say that there are people around here that enjoy the concert and some other people that just maybe enjoy the concert. Once again, I'm going to ask you for the last time. Did you enjoy the concert? That's more I like it. And because of that, I'm going to ask everybody, do you want one more? Wow. You want one more, huh? But before that, before we give you another piece, let me think through it while I'm announcing this. Ladies and gentlemen, I just wanted to acknowledge as well our senior teachers of music in our organization, and that is no other than, first and foremost, we have Sir Warren. Let us give Sir Warner, brother, let us give him a round of applause, please. He's our senior swing teacher, and of course, our maestro, Sir Reynold Sinares, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Have graduated. Those students that have graduated in 7th grade already, that are present today. Thank you so much, guys. Can you please stand up to be recognized? Let's give them a round of applause, please. These students that have graduated with us are already professionals. They have already graduated in the university, and I am very proud to say that we have partnered with different universities around Cebu, and they have been given a chance to be given scholarships because of music. Isn't that good? Let's give a round of applause for that song. We are really, really grateful that we have institutions, we have organizations that are very much willing to help the cause that we have. More than the joy and happiness that we are doing, that we are sharing with you people, we also are sharing the vision that we want to have for the children of the Philippines, specifically for the children of Cebu, the Cebuano people, the Cebuano youth, and that is to give hope and to give life to their dreams. Let's give a round of applause for that vision, ladies and gentlemen. So now, without further ado, you orchestra and the spirit, are you willing to give them one more song? Real power and care. So now I'm going to ask you one last time, in order for me to decide to give you one last piece. Are you excited for one more music? Maybe not. One last time, are you excited to listen to one more song? Okay, before that, can you please move our chairs in the back? Okay, move our chairs in the back. And we are inviting everybody, all the people on the sidelines, all the people that are watching, about, hi guys, hello. Alright. Please emote na ito, alright. Now I am inviting everybody, you can dance with us with this final song that we're going to play with you. The UU Orchestra have played music from our OPM songs. UU Orchestra have taken us under the sea. UU Orchestra have taken us to Spain. And now UU Orchestra is going to take us back to Cebu for this one last music, the I Love Cebu. So come and dance with us. So Reynold, we're ready for you. Ladies and gentlemen, the UU Orchestra. Round of applause for that, please. so much. Since one more? One more? As much as we want to stay longer, and as much as we want to play more music with you, I hope that you guys realize that again, the UU Orchestra, the Seven Spirit brought this UU Orchestra here. They traveled miles away, all the way from Japan, just to share joy and happiness through music. I wanted to share to you a thought that I've come across when I had this conversation with a Japanese yesterday. They told me, this Japanese professional player told me that a lot of musicians, no matter how skilled they are, to a point where they know that they are already professionals, sometimes they forgot what it is to play music. Sometimes they forgot what it means to play music. And so when they try to play music together with Seven Spirit, it has given them the vision and the reason of why they started to learn music. And that is not just about the skills, but it is about the joy and happiness that you share with the audience. Is that right? Music is more than just playing. It is sharing what you're feeling. It is sharing joy and happiness with our audience. Correct? And ladies and gentlemen, I am so proud to say that that is what Seven Spirit and UUU has given us today. Let's give them a round of applause for that. Yes. So now, before we take picture taking, I would want to give acknowledgement as well to our partners. May I have the certificates, please? Okay, oh, there it is. Alright. So, we would like also to give thanks to our partners. We also would like to thank everybody that is here today to have witnessed this magical, musical journey with us. Before anything else, before I give thanks to everybody, I want to give this certificate of appreciation is proudly presented to Ghana Chamber Orchestra in recognition of your unwavering support and dedication of the arts, culture, and community development. Your continuous encouragement and leadership have greatly contributed to the success of our music educational concert and have inspired the growth and appreciation of music in our community. Given the second day of March 2025 at SMC site, Cebu City, Philippines, signed by our very own President, Hiroaki Tanika. Kuya Hiro, can you please come in front to give the certificate? Ate Kay and you staff, please come forward for picture taking. Please come. We are also called survey the next guys. Please leave here. So survey the line.
Say cheese!
Please. Ate Kay.
Say cheese! Cheese!
A round of applause, please, to Ghana Chamber Orchestra. Same certification is given to Adventist International Symphony Orchestra. Please rise in recognition of your certificate. Please come in front, guys, so we can take pictures with you guys. Please stand up.